the underside of window switches, indicator stalks, the rear of the steering wheel. These are all ram-packed with germs. Let's get rid of them and make it nice and clean. You must be Darren.
Yes, I am. My name's Darren. I'm a general builder in London and I drive a Fiat Scudo. So my van is quite dirty. It works very hard, 7 days a week, almost. We have lots of materials coming in, so you can imagine how dirty it gets.
How long have you had it?
About 4 years now.
And when was the last time you washed it?
About 2 years.
Tell us a little bit about the inside, because I'm worried.
You might find a bit of chips here on the, on the
van and a
seat.
calf. Yeah, I like it. I like that.
Maybe a tea bag or two.
So I get the impression you're spending a lot of time in the van. Just how much time is that? Is it important to you?
Very important. I'm in this literally 7 days a week. So I don't know what I'd do without it, to be honest.
Yeah. Do you mind if we have a look around?
Go for it, mate.
Okay then, Darren, you wasn't lying. You're definitely living in here. That's worst seats I've ever seen. The floor, you say that's all cement?
Yeah.
Dust everywhere, first aid kit. I'm worried about the back now. Darren, can we have a look at the back?
Yeah, sure.
Good God, he just poured the cement straight in.
That's it. He's got tools in here. We've got a paint roller, but that's pretty stuck.
There's some stuff in here that's not going to come out, but we can definitely tidy it up and make it more presentable.
Sounds good.
Darren, it's fair to say the van works just as hard as you. You was honest. The front is bad. The back definitely needs some attention. Thank you for putting the steering wheel cover on, though. You get yourself away. We'll see you in about 8 hours, all right?
Yeah, thanks.
Joe, I know it's not the normal way of doing things, but it's still chucking it down outside, so I want to stay in here. What's the plan of attack for the interior?
Well, we need to put some time into them seats. They're absolutely riddled with grime, so let's worry about the seats, and we need to disinfect the dashboard.
Definitely. I really want to get the steamer in there, sterilise everything. He's spending a load of time in there, so let's just make it a blank canvas.
Sounds good to me.
8 hours, though, we're up against it. This interior is one of the worst that I've seen. We've started with the hoover to lift the heavy mud off. Now we're going to start at the top and work our way down. Using some interior cleaner and a brush, we'll have this dash back in no time. Interior cleaning. Now, generally speaking, everybody sprays interior cleaner on and wipes off the front-facing surfaces. But there's loads of safe places for germs and bacteria to build up, and it can go months and months without being cleaned. So, be mindful. The underside of window switches, indicator stalks, the rear of the steering wheel, these are all ram-packed with germs. Let's get rid of them and make it nice and clean.
So it's time to remove years and years of building site grime out of these seats. Bit of interior cleaner again, heavy duty drill brush, and once that's all agitated, we're gonna come back in and extract it with a wet vac. So now we've brushed these seats up, you can see the dirt really starting to come out in the foam. We're going to use the wet vac to extract it and really see the results of our hard work.
Top tip from me, if you've got a piece of trim that comes off, take it off and clean behind it. Exhibit A. Joe, we're 4 hours in.
4 hours?
I've just poked my head outside. Luckily, the rain has stopped. Now, I know these seats aren't perfect, but they're a hell of a lot better than they was. Let's get it outside, sort the back out, and then we can make a start on this bodywork. Fancy a day's labouring?
I think we've got an afternoon of it ahead of us.
Sweep the yard out. We'll grab the big bits and then I'll jump in there with a broom, sweep out the small stuff.
Sounds good to me.
Oh.
Hold up, Jack. I've got a sore arm.
That wheelie wasn't funny.
Glad to see the back of that.
Let's get this bodywork washed.
Door shuts, they're not inside, they're not outside. Quick and effective way is using a pressure washer. If you're doing this at home, it's very easy, but just be mindful to get wash away from the interior and the results are amazing.
And wash. As we know, this van lives on building sites. There's a real high chance that the paintwork is covered in iron particles. So we're going to use a fallout remover, easily available at any auto parts store. Spray it on, jet wash it off, and have silky smooth paint.
Darren's half hour away.
No.
I know we could decontaminate this for hours, but we've still got to dry it, we've got to do the glass, we've got to dress the tyres.
Let's get it done. That has been really hard work today. Darren's on the way and we're losing the light.
I could have done with a few more hours just to polish the exterior.
Definitely. But don't forget, from where it was this morning, night and day difference.
I think so. Should we get it inside and see what Darren thinks?
Definitely. Evening, Darren, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What do you want to see when we open the shutter?
The interior cab, where I spend most of my time, I'd love to see a transformation there.
For me, I don't know about you, the seats, I thought they were gone. I didn't think they were coming back.
There was some heavy duty cleaning that's gone into them seats.
And the time just disappeared, didn't it?
We lost it, yeah. Just absolutely lost time.
I'm nervous, but I'm excited for you to see it. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's go.
Oh, wow. Wow. Yeah, looks amazing. Looks brand new. Oh, wow. The seats. I can't believe this one. I can actually see the colors again.
So, Darren, it's a far cry from where it was this morning. What do you think?
I'm really impressed, I'll be honest.
We got in there with a steamer, we went to town. Big clean, especially on the parts that you can't see. Every tool we've got was used in there.
Fit for a builder's van.
Yeah. Fully respect that this is going to be going back on site, but are you going to try and keep on top of it?
Most definitely, yeah. I don't even think I want to put anything back in it at the moment.
It's a show
yeah.
now.
Yeah.
At least I won't feel embarrassed to take it to a car wash.
Just bring it back here.
Yeah.